Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add channel tags to your YouTube channel. So once you're in YouTube, guys, or let me go ahead and just back right up. So let's say you're on youtube.com, right? The first thing you want to do is to simply log into your YouTube channel. So once you're on YouTube, go ahead and click your account on the upper right. Then from here, click the YouTube Studio. That's going to take you right into your channel. And once you're inside the channel, look for settings on the left hand side and click on that. This is going to open up the settings for you. And from here, now click on channel. Now, once you're on channel, you will see the section here under the basic section that says keywords. This is where you need to go ahead and basically change the channel. So this is basically where you can go ahead and add the channel tags. So you can say whatever it is. So I'm going to just say, for example, tech, then click on enter to add it. Let's say I want to say YouTube. I can go ahead and just simple type in the word YouTube. I can go ahead and just enter that as well. Let's say I want to say Google. I can type that in as well. And if whatever it is that you want to basically write, you can go ahead and add those channel tags. Once you add them, simple click and save, and that's it. And so you add a new channel tag. That's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.